Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about the CRA My Account creation process. So very first thing, go type in your search engine CRA My Account for individuals. From there you will be directed to the CRA My Account for individuals web page where you can create the My Account portal. Not the sign in partner but the CRA sign in, where CRA register option you have to select, which is option 2. Once you click there, it will lead you to a web page where it will ask you to input your social insurance number. Here we are. So here we need to enter the social insurance number. Most of you all will know your social insurance number. If you don't remember, you can go check your social insurance number page. Once you enter that number, uh, it will lead you to the next steps where you will have to enter your date of birth, your current registered postal code, as well as there will be a verification question. The verification question is the option, the third question where you see here. It will ask you the one of the line items in your last file tax return. In this case, it's asking line number 15000. It could be any line number. You just need to enter the dollar figure, not the pennies or the cents. Just enter the number and it will lead to this screen. From there you click on next, and here you just need to verify the postal code again and just click next, and then it will ask you to create a user ID and a password. So user ID, there are some specifications where you see user ID checklist. It should be 8 to 16 characters and then no more than 7 digits and no spaces, no special characters except these few characters. And then the password, again, it has some unique requirements. It should be between 8 to 16 characters. And one important thing to remember is, in this case I will show you that it is not mentioned in this password checklist in the CRA's web page. You cannot put a password which is too similar to your user ID. That is not mentioned here in the password checklist, but I will show you that example. uh, the user ID and the password should not have too much similarity. Now see what I am going to do. I enter the password which is a little bit similar to the user ID I entered, and you will see the error message coming after this step. There you go. It says the user ID and password are too similar, so I have to use another password. And when that is done, it will lead you to security questions. Here you have to enter 5 security questions. You can select from the drop down menu, and then you have to put your unique answers. Make sure you remember these answers, because if something goes wrong, this is the only survival for you to retrieve your user ID, the portal. And once you enter those, it will ask you to verify those, and then it will show you the conditions and to enter your password. Once you enter your password, it will go to the next screen. Before that, you just need to enter your password and say I agree to these conditions, and that's what you are doing here. And once you go there, it will lead you to the multi-factor authentication screen. Most of us use the cell phone, so I would go for the cell phone option. By telephone and add a phone number. Here you need to enter a cell phone number, because you will be getting a OTP to your cell phone. So make sure you enter a cell phone number. Once you enter the cell phone number, it will ask you to confirm and go to the next step. Here we are. And then it will allow you to call or text option. I would prefer the text option. And then you have to enter the OTP which comes to your mobile phone. Once you enter the OTP here, it will take you to the next screen where the confirmation will be there. Or you can select do not prompt for the OTP each time I log in, here on the second option. This is what I am doing here, and then I'm going on next, and it's giving you a confirmation. It's saying in the next 10 days you will receive a security code by post to your postal address. Before that, you need to agree for these conditions, and here you go. You have the limited access to your account, and you have a screen on the right, on the very first screen where you see enter your CRA security code. So also you will see other information such as the last filed tax return and the notice of assessment information. And once you get the security code by post, log into the portal using the same user ID and password and enter the code here. You will get the full access to your My Account.